Hey everybody, this is John, and I'm doing a video of yesterday's, an overview of yesterday's tech Q&A and a roundup, pretty much putting all the questions that were asked and the discussions that we had and condensing it into a couple segments here so we can get the information to you guys as soon as possible, as fast as possible in a condensed format, which will be helpful for you too. So pretty much what it comes down to is we have a couple segments. The first one we're doing is email signature. We have some questions on how to adjust email signatures, where to get the ROG email, the Realty One Group Summit email signatures, how to do hyperlinks, and how to add social media buttons to that. So we'll be covering that topic. Also, that's going to be the same thing where you can get the Realty One Group Summit proprietary material for your logos, branding, things of that nature in the same spot. So we'll do that together. Second and third we had was questions about Videolicious and Cinq. So since I can't sharing my computer screen with you right now and casting at the same time, I can't bring my phone up there. So what I'll do is I'm pretty much going to point you to where you get the information at. That's the Videolicious support. And also for Cinq as well, we do have Cinq coming up on Tuesday, Tech Tuesday. But if you want to get ahead of the curve and do a deep dive for yourself, where to access Cinq, where to get to it, and the training videos on there as well. So we'll go ahead and jump right into this. We'll start with email signature, and what you want to do is come to your one login page and go to your apps, and you'll see here that there is a spot called brand guidelines. If you don't see it, what's going to happen is you get to click on your apps everything, and that should bring it up. So once you click that, it's going to give you this nice fancy kind of entry page. Go ahead and hit explore the guide. And you're going to see all these sections here. I invite you guys to come look at that. It's going to give you options as to, like, if you're doing marketing, graphicing, we have a certain goal that we use for Realty One Group. It's going to give you the exact number right there, so you can't go wrong. Black and white, pretty simple, black and white. But things like that, things like typography, what type of font you're supposed to use, things of that nature. But for today's video, we're going to do the Realty One Group Summit branded proprietary. So you're going to go to Affiliates Logo Kit. You're going to type Summit. And what that's going to do is going to give us the actual Summit material. On the screen, you'll see it says Realty One Group, your DBA. Once you download it, that will be Summit. So we're going to download the logo kit. And it's going to give it to you in a zip file. So you'll have to unzip it, but that's very, very simple. And here's the important stuff, the email signature. So what's going to happen is going to kind of give you an overview of what to do. But basically, what you're going to do is click Download Email Signature. What that does is opens up a new page, and you're going to highlight it, all of it, and you're going to copy it. Copy. So now you have that copied to your clipboard. You're going to want to come to your email signature settings. I'm using Gmail and PC for this video. For Mac users, we'll still be working on that in a later time, but just want to let you know we are working on that. So here we have I have my old email signature, and I'm supposed to do a clean slate and add my other one. So what I'll do is actually paste it. And as you notice, this is the material I copied from earlier because it says first name, last name. So for me, I'm gonna keep my previous one up there because it's information I got to copy, like the brokerage license and all that. But for you guys, if you already know that, you just start plugging in your information away. So first name, last name, title, 0, address 225, the Camarillo office. I always found it funny, it's the Camarillo office, but the street is on Ventura Boulevard. And the city, state. That office number, main line. Go ahead and copy and paste that here. It's gonna be different for you guys if you want to have your direct phone line, your cell phone, so if people need to call you. And brokerage license. And there we are. So that would be essentially how you add that branded email signature. So I'm going ahead and keep that new one. I'll delete the rest here. Bam, gone, just like that. And now I have the email signature, and then what I'll do is scroll down, make sure you save changes. You don't want to back out and refresh without doing that. And I'll come back to my settings here just to make sure that that did save. Okay, looks good. So next thing on that, since we're still in the email signature, is how to add a hyperlink. You might be asking, what is a hyperlink? What does that accomplish for me? Well, some email signatures you might notice where it says, find your next dream home here, or find your whatever niche marketing you can apply to. If it's your farm, maybe you're doing homes by the harbor, homes in Ventura, homes in Camarillo, whichever. I'll do an example of that right now. So let's just do this here. We'll plug it in right here. Find homes for sale in Ventura. Here. So you go to your whichever website you're using for kind of a drip or searching for homes, if it's your own personal website, or if you're using something like Real Scouts. Go ahead and go to the search page. I'm essentially creating a landing page. And what I'm going to do here is actually come to Ventura, or whatever your specific area is at. Let that apply. There it is. 11,643 results. I can obviously make that much more condensed, whichever you have it preferred. But I just want Ventura for the example. I'm going to copy that link. And then I'm going back to my signature, and what I'm going to do is actually going to highlight just this section right here, find homes for sale in Ventura. There's a button, looks like a chain link, click that. It's going to ask you, okay, here's the text to display, this is what your clients are going to see, or you want the people to see, but where do you want them to go to? That's where you paste that web address and that web link. Hit OK. Now you notice that it's a different font and it's underlined. If you wanted to test it out, go ahead and click it, and it's going to say go to link. So I'm going to test it out. Let me see where it takes me. Takes me to the search page. This is just all of California, so let me see. Something went wrong here for searching Ventura. Probably because I don't have the... I need to save it to a client and get the exact link for that. But if you have, a web page already that's already like that, or a landing page, it's similar. That's essentially the basis of how to create a hyperlink. Type in the verbiage you want, copy the web address, click the chain link, paste that web address into the chain link, and now you essentially have a hyperlink. So the same thing we can do actually for a button as well. So button's pretty simple. And what I mean by a button is you'll see on some social media sites that have just like the Facebook icon or YouTube icon, and that's a link. That's what I mean by buttons. So what I'm going to do is kind of the same process. I'm going to upload. Here's I have a couple already pre-saved, so I'm going to say Facebook. Let that load. Okay, there's an issue there. Let's try that again. Oh, okay. It looks like it went through. I have a couple here actually. So we're going to select that. So now we have a link. And actually make this smaller. Oh, okay, bigger. That was the smallest size. So original size, you can probably get it smaller size on the internet or edit it yourself. But if I didn't want it there, I can just, what I'll do is I'll cut it and let's put it down here. And then I'll go ahead and add the YouTube one as well. YouTube there. And this is something you guys can play around with. You can add your Pinterest if you have Pinterest, LinkedIn, Instagram, anything you want to add to it. Pretty simple. Just like the text, what we're gonna do is actually just highlight the image, click the chain link there. I'm going to run to my Facebook page, copy that link, come back here, paste that in there. Boom. Let's do the YouTube while we're at it. Copy that link. Come back to email signature. Highlight that. Hit the chain link button once again. Paste it. So let's test it out. We'll click on that. Let's see. Go to link. YouTube. See where it takes me. The Realty One Group Summit link. Perfect. Let's test out the Facebook while we're here. There you are. It takes me to the Facebook page. So that's essentially how you create a button and then hyperlink it to go to your social media websites, wherever you want it to go. You can play around with images, make them smaller, bigger, use different images. Your imagination is there, and I invite you guys to try that. So now that we're kind of done with the email signature stuff, you know where to get your branded proprietary material, the logo kit, email signature. I'm going to show you guys on where to go to see the Videolicious training videos. It's super simple. I have a tab here. You just go videolicious.com. Up in the top right corner, there's a learning section. And you'll see here they have video recipes, which are their formats they've created for creating certain type of videos. And also Videolicious tips. That's where you're going to see, how to add your business card, how to change a title, how to add different bumpers. Let's see your GIF email or multiple bumpers. Things like that, you're going to find them in the videolicious.com and the support or the learning site as well. For Cinq, like I mentioned, we're going to be doing Cinq on Tuesday. You'll go back to your one login, and you'll notice it's right here, Cinq. Relatively simple. Go ahead and click that. Well, let's see here. That's interesting. I was just on there yesterday. Try it again. Awesome. I think I should give it some time. It should bring me in. Yeah, perfect. If that does happen to you guys and it's not letting me in or letting you in, we'll have to create a support ticket. I know that they're populating the website and bringing people in day by day, so we'll see that. But anyways, you'll go to the Cinq website, and there's a spot. It says training videos. It's right in the homepage. Big button. Click on that if you got access, and that will get you in and give you a head start for that. We'll try it one more time here. Boom. Okay. So maybe I had too many Realty One apps open. I'm not quite sure what happened. Anyways, here is Cinq. You'll see this is your dashboard. This is what you'll get. You have tons of different things you can play around with. It's a pretty powerful CRM system. But I want to bring your attention to the training videos. And right here on the top left, you're going to see this. They have it kind of itemized or segmented in how to pretty much start 0 to 100% with Cinq. This is the intro, how to do your contact management, importing them, syncing contacts with Gmail, market reports. You got your drip campaigns, individual drip campaigns for custom buyers, sellers, hot buyers, anything you name it. The system will be showing you how to do it right here. And we'll be doing an overview of the basics of Cinq this Tuesday, if you still haven't checked it out yet. I know you guys are super busy. So anyways, I want to keep this short and sweet. If you have any other questions, feel free to send me a personal message on Facebook or email me at Gian@ROGSummit.com, Gian. And then you'll see me on Facebook here in the ROGS beforehand. But we're going to be doing that. Thanks, you guys, for watching so much, and I hope you have a great day.